My very first unboxing video. I got a bunch of things that I ordered this past week, mostly business, some personal, so let's get started. Okay. First is this Cricut Easy Press Mini. I ordered a bunch of things from Cricut. I've been thinking about getting a Cricut for a while, and I finally took the plunge. This is, look how cute this is. This is like a very tiny Cricut Easy Press. You can use it in very small areas. I'm thinking about doing this for my branding, for totes and maybe t-shirts, but this is super cute. And it comes with a little stand here, and it has like a little thermometer. I'm assuming this is the way to control the temperature. Super cute. Yeah, so I am very excited to try it. And then we have this. So I ordered the Cricut Easy Press 2. I got the full set. So it came with a bunch of supplies because I felt like it was a better deal than ordering everything individually. So I don't know anything about Cricut except that you can print stickers, and it does like die cuts. Let's open this up. I remember seeing like a whole bunch of tools, some vinyl. So I don't even know how to use the vinyl, but I've seen some videos online of people using it for tumblers and t-shirts. So I wanted to give it a try and see what it's all about. Oh, actually, this is the Easy Press, the large version. So I've been watching some videos, and it seems like this one has mixed reviews. Like some people say it's great, and then other people say it's a better investment to get an actual heat press, and that this is the same as using a regular iron. So I'm not sure if I've been looking at different heat presses. They are more expensive, but thinking about getting that and maybe returning this. So there is a large box. I don't know if you can see it on screen, and this is the actual Cricut Explore Air 2. Just wanted to try this first and see if I actually get a lot of use out of it, and then maybe later down the line I can upgrade. The struggle is real. This thing is so heavy. I think I tore the box. Let me see if I can lift this. It is bigger than me, but this is it. The Explorer Air 2. Okay, so we have this, and it's where you put the paper or the vinyl to cut. And instructions. This is not my most graceful moment here. Okay, so we got this. Let's open it up. I was debating between this color and another one, but I actually like this color. Okay. And there I have the power cords. Now we have the rest of the supplies. I am actually getting very sweaty. Okay, yes, this is all the Cricut supplies that came. You can either get the machine by itself, or you can get the complete package with the supplies. So here is scissors, and I don't know what these are called, but they look like medical equipment. I've seen these used on videos to weed. They call it like weeding, to peel off the sticker or the vinyl. And looks like a paper cutter. By the way, this is not sponsored by Cricut. I got all this myself, but Cricut, if you do want to sponsor me later, please contact me. So these are the different kinds of vinyl. This is a foil iron-on. Ooh, this is adhesive foil, it says, and it's very shiny. So it looks like there's like a whole bunch of different kinds of vinyl, different colors. There's black transfer tape. And I've been reading and watching a lot of reviews on different vinyl brand names. People have mentioned they had some trouble with some of the Cricut vinyls and other people really like them. So I'm going to try these first. It came with a machine and it was made for it. So I'll see how it goes. Here are gel pens. Another vinyl. Oh, bunch of cardstock. This one is foil, different color foil paper. And we have more stylus and looks like an X-Acto knife. Another mat. So I will be watching a lot of videos, how-to videos, and if you've ever used a Cricut Air before, please feel free to comment and share tips and tricks, and I'll be documenting the process as well. So that is all for Cricut. And then I got some personal skincare items. So I got like a whole bunch of masks from Tony Moly. I've used these before and they were on sale as packs, so I went a little overboard and bought like 50 of them. And then this cute little thing, it's a self-heating eye mask. I tried it. Let me see. I can show you the individual pack. It actually doesn't heat that much. Not enough to make a big difference. I don't think I would buy it again. Dr. Jart. I haven't tried this yet, but I've heard a lot of positive things about it, so I'll be trying this as well. For toner, this is my go-to. Origins Zero Oil. I've used so many of these. This, and there's another one by Origins called, I think it's called United State, but they were completely sold out on Sephora online. So I saw this by Innisfree. It's balancing toner with green tea, and I saw a lot of good reviews about it, so I decided to try it. It is a little bit soapy. It has like a soapy residue texture. I feel like it doesn't completely wipe off the way this does. So I got it and I used it, so I'll use it up, but I will definitely be going back to this. And that is it for all the unboxing today. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be documenting the process of using my new Cricut Air. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to add below, and like and subscribe for more content. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!